Here at the factory, precision and speed are everything. The production line runs 24 hours a day to meet demand.
Utilizing advanced machine vision, these robotic arms ensure every pepperoni is placed with millimeter precision before the AI scan confirms accuracy.